here recording. Okay, so welcome to our balance course and strategy, guys. And my name is Juan. I'm from Vietnam. So just call me Juan, a friend. Okay. So the strategy is in the IQ option or any broker, even cryptocurrency on Binomo or whatever. I think they are just the same, even on Olymp Trade, Binomo, or anything else. So when we have a downtrend, yes, when we have a downtrend like this. Hello, are you listening to me? So anytime we have a downtrend here, for example, and when we see a retracement like this, but with rejection, okay, and then right straight away we see another engulfing, so we can draw a zone, and when we see the candle coming up here, we can take a put. So here is no rejection, but here we have rejection. Okay, so here we have rejection as well. We have it, and immediately we see engulfing. So if this candle coming up here and have a little rejection, we can take a put. So that is the way we take advantage of the trend. Trend is a friend in this situation. Okay, but we don't draw anything. Okay, so this is risky. So this is it. Okay, so I have a downtrend. Am I right? One candle, one big candle in smaller time frame. 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second. They are a trend. It is a trend, right? And then we have a retracement candle. And right straight away, we have what? We have engulfing candle in 15 seconds. This one, there is a time. This one engulf the total process of this one. Okay, so you can trust. And in the future, if any green candle coming up here, you can take a put. Okay. So that is the theory. That is the basic concept. But now you have to look at the sure shot. Which one is the sure shot? It is like this. You have a downtrend, you have retracement, and the rejection should be on top. If you want to take a put, the rejection should be on top. And then you have big engulfing, good engulfing like this. Not like this and then bounce back like this. Not good. It must be like this, okay? And then immediately you see one candle coming up here, even here, even here, even here, and it bounces back a little bit and it lift a wick. You confidently take a put. Okay, so what do I have here? What do I have? Okay, so I have rejection, right? I have this area, right? This one is not good. I have this one. This one is the area, and I see confirmation. Okay, so now I draw the level. This one hit. This one hit. I may lose this one, but I have supercard strategy. I can win this one. Okay, and remember when you see this one, 3 candle, it starts a momentum. And 4 candle, it start a momentum. So don't go after 3 candle, after 4 candle. Don't go this one, and don't go this one if you not sure. Okay, this one I take an entry because I apply supercard strategy, not negative candle. How come you apply negative candle? How come you are thinking that this is still balanced? This is not at all. What is my condition? When you see this one, immediately you see this one. If you see this one is not good anymore. Okay, am I right? Okay, now look at this. When you see this one makes a new low. Okay, and this one almost hit the top, so this one is strong. And after this one, you see it makes a new height. So don't go against the trend, and it close very big, very high, very huge momentum already. Don't enter a put here, And after 3 candle, don't enter here, don't enter here, don't enter here. I enter here because I know I'm applying the supercar strategy. Okay, so come back to negative candle balance zone. Where is it? Okay, so look at this. I have this one and I have this one. So after this one, you have rejection. Very good one. If you want to enter, you have to enter a put. Do not enter a call here. No matter what happened, do not enter a call. And you have this one. And what? It's not coming up here. You have no reason to take a put. Okay, but you know that there is a reason you can take a put. So we can wait in the future like this. You may enter a put or you can stay outside. Why? Why you stay outside? Because what do you trust here? You trust here because this one in smaller time frame, 5 seconds, 15 seconds, it already engulfed the green candle. So you can trust. And now this one react. I know the close price of the green is above the close price of this green, but it is inside the zone of reaction. So you can trust and you can take this one. If the candle like this, don't trust because the seller is very weak. It cannot make a new law. Okay? It cannot make a new law. So now you can trust again this one. Can we trust this one? This one not trust. It not hit yet. So you may stay outside. You have no reason to win this candle because it's not touched yet. You don't know. You don't know. And after this, what do we do? What do we do? Okay, look at this. My perfect setup is like this, not like this, not like this. Okay, so if I have green candle, I have little wick here and have big wick at the bottom. It is not good to go against. It is not good to take a put in the future, especially when the green candle can make a new law. Okay, don't go. If I have a hammer like this, it is perfect to go red in the future. Okay, and what else? The second thing you have to focus on is this. When you see this is candle, it does not hit on the top and it's bounce back. It goes like this. So this one go up very strong. You may stay outside. Don't enter anything at the second time. Don't enter it. Okay? Don't enter at the second time. Yes, you can win here. You can win here. 1 win only. Or this is a maximum 2 win for you. In here, if you think you can win, you may lose because what? We have all small green candle. We have all small green candle. But this one is very big. Very big. Remember, the retracement will never close engulfing the red one. Do not engulfing the red one. Do not engulfing the red one. So you can trust. If it ever engulfing the red one, do not enter against it. Okay? So that is a tip for you. I enter here because of something else, not because of balance zone. Okay, so I have another history here. I have the zone here. So this is a zone. Where is it? We have good green trending up. We have retracement. We have up. So this is very good engulfing. So we draw a level, draw a zone like this. And when we see the candle come down here, okay, so actually we can trust to enter a call. But look how do you feel with this one? The red candle looks very huge and it already engulfing this. So it is a risk. It is risky if you want to take a call here, but you still know the reason that you have to take a call if you want to enter. What is the second tips for you? this one does not engulfing because it is not here. If it is like this, if it engulfing all the green candle here, so don't trust. Here it is not engulfing this one because we have this one. You see the market move like this, coming up, down like this. So it is already losing momentum somewhere. We do not scare it. Okay, so if the candle coming like this, green and then red, this one is engulfing. But if candle coming like this, green, 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 red, green, red, so it is not engulfing. Okay, it is not engulfing. We can trust. When we have anything losing momentum, we can trust. Okay, now again, what do I have here? What do I have? This one not engulfing. Close straight away from here. Close straight away from here. So there is a reason we can go up. Okay, so where is the balance zone? Where is the balance zone? This one is a very big zone. If you can imagine, this one is very big zone. You have trending up, and you have small candle, and then you have trending up. Okay, so this is balance zone, and you see this one confirm. So when it comes down again, does not engulf anything, so you can take a call. Okay, when you start the class as a newbie, you just only start the easy pattern, easy setup like this. You have this one, and then you hope this one is a way to enter. Okay, but after this, what do you see? You see engulfing compared to this one. Am I right? I already say this one is a downtrend. You see retracement, you see impulsive, engulfing this one. There is a reason you can go down in the future. I'm sorry, yeah, if any candle coming up here and make the wicks here react with the wick here, you can go down in the next candle, but do not go down because this one already engulfing the red. Do not go down after this. Okay, so this is it, and this is a loss. Yeah, it's not very safe if you see the green candle engulfing this one. So this one is risky. Okay, if it is a win because of something else on the top, not because of this balance zone. This one is not balanced anymore. You see, not balanced anymore. Okay, so what do we have? I have it here. I have a negative zone in here. This is trading up. This is retracement. This is impulsive. Very good engulfing. So I draw my level here. I draw my level here. So any candle hit here, I can take a call in the future. It hit here, I can take a call in the future. Okay, so that's why I take a call here. So it's a loss because it is a bad market. The strategy is still the same. When you take a call here, you may enter with a little margin of safety and you can win. And after you win, or even you ATM, you stay outside because it is a bad market. It makes a doji like this, doji. Don't enter another trade. Don't enter another call. So I am in the trap of bad market. When you see indecision candle, we never know, or we can hardly make a decision which way it will go in the future in next 1 minute. Okay, so after when you see this one, do not enter anything because this is indecision already. Do not try to win the market every setup, every time. Okay, so now after I lost this one, I can win this one. Why do I do that? Okay, so I see this market is here, and this one give me very good safety, margin of safety. and I know that when it comes down here it will hit up, so I enter and it reverse 180 degree to make a green. I have very good entry because this is balance zone. It proved a lot here. It proved here and it almost going up here, so it will prove in the second time. Okay. What do I have here? I have downtrend, I have retracement, I have downtrend again. So this one is what? This one is trusted level zone, and this one what? I see rejection, so I can enter put here or from here. But you should not enter from here. You enter here if it close like this. But let's see what happened. So I got this, I got this one. So actually you can enter after this one if this one is a green candle and if we have a good wick on the top, so you can enter here. Okay, so what do I have now? I enter at 32 seconds because I am confidently something. Okay, so you have uptrend, you have downtrend, you have uptrend, you have downtrend. Okay, so what is this? This one is uptrend. This one is an uptrend. This one is uptrend, right? This one is retracement. It retraces like this and it bounce back. Okay, and then we have engulfing, we have impulsive. It makes like wicks like this, it go up like this. So this zone is very trusted. Okay, so I see when price come down like this, I see this level. I come to see this level. I come to see this level. Okay, I come to see this zone. And what do I see? I see this one. I see this zone. This zone is money. Okay, why? Why do I have it? This zone is very strong with up candle. This is smaller. So actually this is a zone and this is a zone, and it hit here. I see the buy entry, so I take immediately the call here. And let's see what happened. Okay, so 1 second, so 13 seconds, so it is a win because I have very good zone here. I have it here. This one very trusted area, and when it hit this area as well, so it gonna hit two balance zone, and you have very good reason to go up, no fear. Okay, I have another one. What do I have here? Why do I take a put here? I win this one and then I take a put here. Okay, let's see. I have a downtrend, I have impulse retracement, and after retracement I see this one. This one can be trusted, almost trusted. Okay, and what is the confirmation, better confirmation for me? Look at this. I have a zone here. This one close inside the zone, engulfing happen, so this is very strong zone. And when this one hit inside the zone, I know that we don't have a wick at the top, but it is the way we can confirm that we have to take the margin of safety if we want to enter here. So actually I take margin of safety here, but it move here very fast. Okay, so I say it again. I have a zone here. I have downtrend and I have retracement. This is retracement, and I have reaction in here. I have reaction in here. This one may be not trusted, but after this one inside the zone, and actually it works, it confirmed for me that it is very strong zone. So you just draw the level to the future like this. At least one more candle hit, you can take a put. So now it hit here, it closed inside here, no wick, no problem. But I have to take the margin of safety entry here. So we wait because this is our zone, our level. We wait until it hit here, and then you take a put with that margin of safety. If it not hit here, do not enter anything. If it hit, you enter. So it's a win. And now what do we have? I have another example. Okay, so what do I have? I have this one. Compare to this one. Good. And I have this one. Compare to this one. Good. Okay, so you can trust. And now this one coming up and hit this level. Hit this level. So you can take a put. Let's see if this one is a win or not. Maybe it is a loss because I don't have margin of safety. Okay, so it's still a win. Still a win. Okay, why do I take a call? So this is a little bit risky for you because of the balance zone. Alright, so balance zone is like this. So I'm going down. I have this one. This is a zone. Okay, this is a zone. So this one hit and it bounced back. So now I see this one hit and I think it will bounce back. So this is balance zone for me. So this is balance zones for me, and this is balance zone for me. Okay, this is balance zone because this one is a retracement and this one impulsive, very good one. So now why this one down is balance zone? Because as I said already with the basic concept, when you have a candle like this, you have this is a red, and then you have green like this with make a wish, and then you have very good red. Okay, so this one is balance zone, and in the future if you have any green candle coming up here with the rejection, you can take a put. So now it's the same thing. This is the same thing. I can take a put. I think I can take a call. So let's see what happens. It is a call and it is a win. So I win here and I win here. Okay. Okay, so now actually you can take a put again and again, because you have what? You have balance zones. You have this one, balance zone, and it close, it react with this one, but this one does not hit, does not close inside the zone. So you have to take a little margin of safety. You can take a put in the future in next minute, 1 minute. So you can take 1 minute. Okay, so what now? I have trending up, I have retracement, I have impulsive. How come you trust this impulsive? Because it's not good, not coming up here yet. Okay, so the tips for you is that like this. This is the move of the market. Okay, 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 okay. So that's it in Gaffing already? Yes, you have to connect the time frame. 1 minute to another minute, 1 minute to another 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and then you understand the life of a market. You understand the life of a market, and this market is like this. The green candle is like this. Okay, okay. But the red candle is just like this almost all the time. It never hit, never make like this. Okay, trust me, trust me. Okay, now what? We have a level, right? We have a level in here. We have a big level in here, smallest ever and the biggest ever. Okay, it is like this. No, the level is like this. The minimum and the maximum. So the minimum is here and the maximum is here. Okay, so this is a zone. This one hit the zone. Okay, so you can enter, but it does not hit the extreme level, so we wait for extreme level here. And now again, do we have any balance zone in here? Okay, so this is the balance zones for us. Okay, so it hit here, it will come up. Okay, so balance zone, what is the balance zones? Anytime you see the green candle like this, so the total green candle is like this, and the red candle cannot hit the highest point or lowest point of the previous color, and then we see in graphic. So this is very sure shot zone, and if you want to take a call, you must see it hits the extreme zone level, and then it will take a put the call. Okay, so let's see what happened. It's a big win. It's a big win. Okay, so I combine two conditions for me. We have very sure short zone on the bottom, and we have good reaction of the balance zone on the top. So now this candle closed like this. You can enter straight away from here, but if I look here, I have another confirm, and I wait for margin of safety. I can take a call, very good call. Now what is it? Why do I have a win here? Okay, look at this. I have this one, but this one already engulfing. Don't enter here. Okay, this one not yet. Don't enter. Okay, coming up to this level, what do I have? I have a green, and I have a red, and I have green. The green one does not break the highest height of the red, and it makes engulfing red. So this is the zone. Okay, this one hit the zone. You can enter a put with margin of safety. Alright, again, one more example for you. I have this one downtrend, I have retracement, I have good downtrend, so I can draw a zone like this. This one hit with a lot of rejection, so I can take a put here. No fear, no fear. So it makes me a lot of winning ratio. So I have an uptrend, I have a retracement. So after this, I see engulfing. So this one is a zone for me. And what do I have? I have confirmation. Where is the confirmation? This one is confirmation. When you hit here, you bounce back. Okay, so I see it hit here, I can bounce back. So let's see what happened. Actually, up here I have another balance zone. Look at this. I have good like this, and I have this one coming down and bounce back like this, and I have this one engulfing higher, break this high height. Okay, so this one is a zone for me. This one is a zone for me. Why this one is a zone for me? Because any candle, this is the green candle, any candle that cannot close, break the extreme level of previous color, and it bounce back, it closes like this, and then after that you see another green candle like this. So this is the trusted zone, and this one go down, you can go win here with margin of safety to take a call. This one go down, you may lose this one. Okay, don't be panic. You may win one only and you stay outside, or you may win two with one and lost one. Okay, so now it come to down to this level. Okay, I don't know this one, so I don't win this one, but it comes down to this level. And what do I have? I have balance zone in here, so I can take a call. Just take a call. So this is live. So you see this is the one I win, and this is the history. Okay, so what else we have here? Okay, so here, this is my friend. Okay, I take another entry here. I see downtrend. I see this one. This one does not break the highest point extreme level of previous color, and already we have immediately we have engulfing impulsive. So this is a very trusted zone. This one hit, so you can enter a put, just like that, just like that. Okay, okay, so easy. It is a good winning. Okay, now what do we have? What do we have? We have downtrend, we have retracement, we have down impulsive. So this is a zone. So we wait this one coming up here, and we can take a put. But actually this one does not come up. Okay, so you may stay outside, or you may predict that the next one is a red candle. Just predict. So there is another sure shot tip for you, that you don't miss the chance. Don't miss the chance. Okay, Now look at this. Look at this. This is mother and son, right? Father, son, mother. Okay, this is a family. And what do we have here? We have the wick here. We have the wick here. So if you want to take a put, you have to understand that the two son and daughter here hit together and it bounce back. Okay, hit together and it's bounce back. So if normally balance zone negative candle, you have to wait for the wick like this and you see reaction and then you can take a put here. But now you have no reason, so there is another tip for you, another strategy for you. When you see this one is a son and this one is a daughter, okay, and they hit together and they bounce back like this, so you have a reason to take a put here. Still we have balance zone in here, but we don't need to hit the balance zones. We just see the reaction between the connection between two son and daughter, and then we can go here. Now trust me. What do we have here? Okay, so we have up, we have down. Up here, okay, does not close, does not break, close price of the green, does not break the extreme level of the red, and then you have engulfing. So if there is a candle like this, you have a reason to go down here. Why? Because you see this son and this daughter hit together and it bounced back like this, so you can take a put here. You don't wait, because the chance will come, will go away. Because if you normally you wait for the concept like this and you see reaction, okay, but now never, because the seller is very strong. There is no way the buyer can go up to hit this one for you in sideways in balance zone. Okay, so now trend is friend and you see engulfing. So there is a reason you take a put. There is a reason you take a put. And now you see. Okay, so I might lost this one. I don't know why don't I take a picture, but you have a reason to enter. Okay, so yeah, I lost this one, guys. I lost this one. Okay, because of what, I don't know, but maybe I can get another win because it is the zone and it hits here, so I can take another put to recover what I have lost. I trust this one and I trust this one. If any candle coming up here, okay, and does not close higher than this one, so I can take a put here. But let's see what happened. I should take here as well already, but I missed because it moved so fast, so I lost another one. Okay, so this is bad market. When I lost two candle, do not try to win to be a hero. Okay, so it is this one, it already engulfing here, so don't trust anymore, don't trust anything. I am stupid to take another one, so I lost two candle here already, and maybe I lost one more. So yeah, you can lose 3 candle if you try to enter and try to be hero with the market. So just stay outside. If you see that you lost 1 candle, you wait for the new setup, new time, new signal. Do not try to be hero immediately. Okay, this game is not easy for you to do. So you have downtrend, you have rejection, you have engulfing. So now is the chance for you to take down here. Okay, so see, actually I lost 1, 2, and 3. This is practice in the real time account. Do not do like this, especially when you see the candle going very strong like this. And what else? When you see you lost this one or you lost 1 candle, stay outside of the market, because it's that time it is not correct, not because of you're not lucky, not because of you are looking for the holy grail or for the winning ratio 90, 70, 80, 90%. It is because you are not smart enough to stay outside the market. Why don't we stay outside? Why always we get involved in a bad market when it is not correct? Because our psychology, we want to be hero. That's why we die, okay? We want to be hero and we die. If we don't want to be hero, okay, I lost 1 point. I wait for a new signal. I change the pair because this pair is not correct at this time. Not because of strategy is shit. Every price action, the same. And balance strategy, balance theory is the same. Okay, so I lost 3 points. Yeah, you have to stay outside when it is not very good. Okay, so you see this one is not very good, but I can still trust. I see engulfing, I see uptrend, I see retracement, I see engulfing, so I draw a level zone here, and when I see it hit here, I can enter a call. No thinking. Alright, so what do I have here? I have this one. This is a zone, okay, but it not hit yet, but I can trust, okay. So this is down, this is retracement, this is impulsive, but it is not very strong down here, so you may not trust this one. And now I see another one. Okay, so there is a level. What do I see here? What do I see in this one? The green candle cannot break the close price, cannot break the extreme of the red, extreme height of the red, and then immediately we see what? We see engulfing candle in smaller time frame. Okay, so actually it closes the red, but we can pursue another red. Actually I enter in here on the very marginal safety here, but it is late. So let's see the next candle. I not enter here, I enter here. Okay, so it should be a win. Yeah, it's a win already. 1 second. So I move to another chart. I have a uptrend, I have a downtrend, I have retracement. Why this one is a retracement? Because this one, I see the highest high of the red is here. This one react with this one. So actually I can take a put here. This is 1 second left, so it is a win. So what else? This is a supercar, okay? We can talk supercar later. We can talk about supercar later. So why do I take a put here? Let's see. I have a downtrend. I have a little bit good engulfing, but because I see this one makes new law, this one make new law, so this is like that. Okay, so it already engulfing in some of the somehow engulfing, so I can trust. So why do I trust here? Because I see this one is a green candle. It hit here and it bounced back here to make a wick here. So this is a zone. And after that I see good red candle like this. So we can trust. And when this one go up here, in here, okay, so it close in this zone, I can take a put here. Let's see what happens. This is a win. It should be a win. Yes. This is a theory. Very simple. Okay, this is supercar. I think this is supercar. It is not balanced zone. Okay, now what do I have? I predict the next one is a green. Why do I predict the next one is a green? Because I see uptrend, I see retracement, I see impulsive good engulfing. Okay, the next one should be a green with marginal safety. I see this zone. Okay, this is a zone. The red candle cannot break, the close price of the red candle cannot break the extreme law of the green, and another engulfing immediately. So you can observe the market with this level zone here. This one hit the zone and bounce back. Perfect setup for you to take a call in the future. 1 minute. So let's see. Okay, so I lost this one. Do I do anything? Yes. No. No. Maybe yes, maybe no. Okay, so we can draw this level when it comes down to this level. This is the green. Okay, the red one does not break that the close price cannot break the extreme level of the green, and then good engulfing. So I can trust this one to take a call. So let's see what happens if I can draw a zone like this. Draw a zone like this. Okay, so this is a zone very good for us. And if this candle have a margin safety, I think I can enter again with a call. This one I can trust. I want to be a hero. So let's see if I am a hero or not. It is. Okay, so I am not hero, guys. I am not hero. I lost this one already. Okay, so you may see sometimes you win at the third candle, not the next candle, the second candle, not the next candle, and sometimes you can win at the next candle. So you can choose to stay outside, or you can choose to enter to be a hero in this one, and you have another loss. Now here is the condition, and here is the loss. Here is the loss for you, and you may enter to recover straight away, or you may stay outside to wait for a signal. Okay, you may stay outside to wait for a signal. No one forces you to enter immediately to win every signal, because I know some of the robot or some of the courses, even price action, will recommend you when you lost one trade, you may enter pursue another trade immediately, and you may win. But I don't recommend. Even me, whenever you make a wrong trade or it is not the correct one when you enter, that is the time the market does not respect you. So don't try to be heroes with the market, and you can stay outside. Okay, don't need to win, don't need to recover immediately. Okay. Yes.
Are you recording? Thank you.
Okay. So now what do I have here? This is just a luck. Okay, we don't count as a win. What do I see? What do I see here? I see that the red one cannot break this one. So and then green happened, and the green look like engulfing, but it's not engulfing. Okay, so it is risky. Yeah, and I can draw the zone like this. And this one come down inside the zone, so I can take a put. But this is a lot of gap up. Okay, a lot of gap down, and yeah, the market is bad. And also this one is not good engulfing. Okay, so pay attention. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, so this is supercar. Okay, what do I have here? Yes, it's still good. I have this one, I have this one, so this one is good level, and I trust this one. So when it come down here, I trust this one, I go up. Okay, again. Okay, so I have this one and I have this one. Okay, so I trust this zone, and when it come down here, I go up. Let's see what happened. It's a win. Amazing. Okay, it's a loss. Yeah, if you don't have margin of safety, you may be lost because of the momentum. Yeah, whatever, I don't know, but pay attention to that. Okay, but actually after that, you see our strategy really works. Only the momentum that we scare the momentum. Okay, still recording. Okay, so you have downtrend, you have a retracement, you have downtrend again. So this is a zone you can enter here. This is downtrend, this is retracement, this is good one. So this is a zone you can enter here. Okay, and after this one, you may stay outside because it is not engulfing anymore. If it like this, you may enter one more here. But if it's not good one, this is small seller, so don't enter anymore. Just don't enter here. Do not try to win every trade. Okay. Yeah, bro, give me a minute. So actually, all this picture I already post on the group, and you may notice if you watch the news on the group, on the class. So this one is the one that we win, this one is the one that we win. Okay, the one that we win as well. Okay, but this one, after we win this one, do not enter here because we don't know because this one is not good anymore, so do not enter here. Okay, so we put the next signal. No, this one we don't have any good. See, we don't have any good here, that's why we lost. We don't have any good here. Okay, so why do I enter put here? Okay, so I have this one, I have this one. Okay, downtrend, very good. And I have the zone here, it not come up yet, so I enter here. Maybe kind of risky because I see the buyer fail to make a higher height and fail to break this level. It's still inside this level, that's why I take a put. But it is risky. We just wait for the setup. Do not try to win every trade. Do not try to beat the market, and do not try to be hero. Just try to be ourselves and focus on strategy only. So this is it. Why do I take a entry here? I have downtrend, I have coming up. Okay, so this is the same time. Alright, why do I take a call here? Why do I take a call? Do I have any balance zone here? I see the red one cannot break the extreme level of the green, and immediately I see engulfing. So this is a zone for us. This is a zone for us. Okay, this is a zone for us. And this one come down here, break extreme level, and bounce back a lot up the red. So I can wait for a little method of safety, and I can take a call. So it's a win because this is a level, this is a zone for us. Okay, so this is a balance zone. What do I have here? I have here, here, and here. Okay, so this is balance zone because of this one. Because of this one. Just focus, just look, notice this one, because this one cannot close price, cannot break the extreme level of the green, and that is the very little thing you can pay attention to. Okay, all right. Very little thing that you can pay attention to. So now, okay, you can see this one green failed to break the extreme, failed to the close price, failed to break the extreme of the red, and then you have engulfing. So this is a very good level, you can enter here. Okay, okay, now what? Now what? The green one failed to break the extreme level of the red, so you have a zone here. This one come, you can enter here. Okay, and when the candle coming up here, you can enter put. Any candle coming up here, you can enter put. Okay. So yeah, that's it. What do I have here? I have this one. Beautiful. I draw level. Beautiful. I hit. Beautiful. And it's a win. 1 second left. Okay, so I just draw a level here. I see this one failed to break, so I draw a level, because after this I see engulfing. So I draw a level and hit. I go up. Easy. Okay, so I see this one failed to break this one, and then I see engulfing. Maybe good, maybe not good. You can trust after you. So I draw a level. I see this one hit and bounce back like this, so I go up. Easy. Okay, what do I have? I see this one fail to break. I see this one kind of engulfing, so I see this one hit this level. I take a put. Oh shit. Oh yeah, so it's a win. So remember guys, I want to introduce again our courses. No trend line, no SNR, no support, no resistance, no candlestick psychology, no price action, no volume, and no indicator. Just balanced zone, balanced theory only. And we have a lot of strategy based on the balance. But the negative candle is the first and foremost and the most powerful strategy for the balance, and also it gives us a lot of entry in 20 minutes with 4 pairs of the chart opening on the market. You can finish the target in 15 minutes, 6-7 trade already. Okay, I'm still recording. Okay, where I am now? Maybe I'm lost. I forget the where was I? Loading slowly. Okay, here. Can we take some other example? Okay, now this is a real account. Alright, so when we see this one, so this is a zone in the future you can take. Okay, so this is the zone, yes or no? This one, green candle, no, we need to see a red. So this one, break already, don't enter anything. So okay, so in here, in this market, I don't have any entry. I don't have it. Okay, so look at this. I have an example. I see the red and I see another red. After this one, I observe 3 of them: mother, father, and son in the middle. Very beautiful family. I see this one failed to break the extreme level of this one, and then immediately guffing. So I draw a level. It hit here, it bounced back. Perfect to go here. Okay. And what do I see? If this one is good like this, I can enter here. But if this one is not good, if I want to enter here, I must take margin of safety. Okay, so still the level like this. This one hit and bounce back, so I can take margin of safety to go down here. So I can take 2 win. So this is a win. Okay, this is not good at all. What do I have here? I have what? I have this one, fail to break this one, and then this one go up. So eventually I have something to trust. If any red candle coming down here to this zone, I can trust it, I can go up. Okay, but it is not very perfect. But remember, if this one is engulfing like this, it is so beautiful. But if it's like this, you should take margin of safety. Okay, no margin of safety, don't go, because almost of the time it makes a doji when it is not engulfing. Okay, more of the time it will make a doji. It will not make a red here, not often make a red, but it almost the time it make a doji. Okay, believe me, trust me, the balance zone is very strong and very easy to win the money, but you have to be sensitive enough, because this one, if does not make margin of safety, you will die because of the doji almost the time. Okay, so now what do I have? No, I don't have. Now what do I have? Okay, so why do I take a call here? I don't know why. Why do I take a call? Maybe some other strategy. Sometimes I look back at my trade and I can't remember what did I do. Okay, so you have a level here, right? Mother, father, and son. Okay, so I have another level here, mother, father, and son. And if any red candle coming down here, you can take a call. And candle coming down here, you can take a call. If you fail to this one, you may not enter this one anymore. If you have 1 win, you may have another win here. But if you fail here, cancel everything, because this market does not respect you. Okay, so what do I have here? I enter a 36 second because I know that I'm going to win the next one. Okay, so I have this one, I have this one, and I have this one. So 3 of this give me the money, and this one is perfect to bounce back. And the next one I may take a red. So I take a 36 second. It means I am overconfident. Let's see if I have lost or win. So it is a win. Okay, it is a win. Okay, so see, I take a 36 second because I know that the market is giving me money. Okay, are you listening to me? So this is the next example. Okay, I see the red one cannot break the extreme level of the green, and then engulfing happened. So this is a very good zone, and it hit here, it bounced back. I take a call with margin safety. It gap up, I don't care. Okay, margin safety for me, not for the market. So margin safety for me is here, not here. Many people think that the margin safety for me is here, but actually the green one happened from here, starting point from here. So just a little margin safety on here is enough. On here is enough, because you just avoid the dozy. So you want to take margin safety. So it's a win. Again, this one. So this one, what do I have here? This one is yesterday practice. Okay, what do I have? What do I have here? I have this level, right? It failed to break extreme level of this one, so I draw a level here. This one is very big, but it proved for me that this level is work, and now the level is here. The level is here now. Okay, this one is big, like it gaffing everything here, so I am scared, I don't take the trade. But this trade give me the money. This just tell me the story that, hey, you can enter a put now, because I am weak. I cannot break anything in here. And I close inside here, and I am very weak buyer. So you can trust this one. But I still take margin safety, because this one is not trusted. What I trust is a big red candle like this, and next green candle coming up here, I can take a put. But I don't have big red candle. But I see that this one tell me that they are very weak. So there are many scenarios for you, many different style of balance zone, but they all focus on one strategy, one theory only. Okay. Okay. What do I have here? And why do I take a call? So I have this one. Okay, I have this one. Okay, and after that I see it gaffing. Okay, so this one or this one failed to break this one, and this one makes a engulfing. So it is good for this level to draw the level like this. It hit here, bounce back a little bit. Easy to take a call. No margin of safety, because it's so beautiful. So I don't need to take margin of safety. Okay, so it should be a win. Okay. So now, this is just yesterday. Yeah, nighttime. Okay, why do I take a call? I see this one failed to break the extreme level. It breaks already in smaller time frame, but it does not close below the extreme level of the green. So, okay, I wait for this one happen. Aha, very beautiful. So I draw the level, and it closed inside the level. It bounced back a little bit from extreme level. So I just take margin of safety at just the extreme level, and then it bounced back as a call. It was as a big red candle, but it bounced back because our strategy really works. Okay, so what do I have here? Okay, look at this. I have this one, red. Yes, the color is red. And what? It failed to break the extreme level of the green. Okay, and after that, immediately I see the green candle. I can trust this one. So I can draw the level. And this one hit. Okay, because this one engulfing the green, so it is risky. It is like a engulfing of the seller. So I'm scared. That's why I take margin of safety. Take fun. Okay, I have very good margin of safety down here. So I take a call. And it should be a win. Okay, what's wrong? When you practice good enough, you can extend the trade. So you have downtrend. Don't enter here, because this is already engulfing. So what do we have now? What do we have? I don't see I have anything here. So here I have a little bit here. Okay, and if you draw in the future with this 1 2 3 4 candle already, so how come you enter here? Okay, so stay outside. So you have this one, no engulfing already, don't enter, don't trust. So let's see if I can draw anything. So this is uptrend. Okay, fail here. In the future you can take a call. Okay, so it's not happening here. This one is the green one already. If this one is a red, you can take a call. This one is a green, don't take anything. Okay, same this one. This one, if this one is a green, don't take anything. Okay, so you now you have what? You have a no, you don't have anything. Okay, here what? Here we have the zone here. All right, so you have engulfing. Okay, this one is good. And when it comes up here, why we lost this one? This one is a loss. Accept that. Accept for the loss. Monday is not very easy, not very good at all. The market is current now, so you have the zone here. Okay, so this is a zone for us in the future, if any. So you see this one engulfing, this one engulfing. So this is good practice for us. Okay, and any candle cannot break, fail to break. Like this one you can enter, like this one you can enter, but enter one candle, win only. For each setup, don't try to be hero for every candle. Okay, so now let's do some live trade. Okay, so I have this one, I have this one. Okay, but this one does not break. I hope in the future if I have any green candle like this I can take a put. Okay, so this is what do I have here? I don't have anything here, so I have this one. Okay, so here and here I have this one, so I can take a call here, but this one look risky. Maybe you enter, maybe you stay outside. Okay, so it is coming down, and what do I have here? It is coming down, so I don't have anything. I just want to put down. I don't have anything yet. Okay, what do I have here? I have this one. Okay, after this one I might take a put after this one, but it looks risky, so maybe I stay outside. Focus on strategy only. So let's see, I have another strategy to take a put after this, but maybe it's not good for you to taking. So I'm going to take a put in some more seconds because it's bounced back a little bit. Very good one. Okay, so I would take a put with a little margin of safety. Let's see what happens. I would take with margin of safety. If no margin of safety, I will not, because there might be a dozy in the future. So very good one. Okay, yes, I have already margin of safety, so I take a put immediately. Let's see what happens in this trade. Let's hope we can have a win here, because this is correct strategy. It is perfect strategy for us. Okay, so it is good. If this one close very big, we might be scared, but if this one bounce back a lot of this like this, so it is very perfect for us to enter, take a entry, because it respect this balance zone. We have no trend line, no SNR, just focus on strategy, and if we may have a doji here, we still win because I have margin of safety. So focus strategy is strategy, and this is a live trade for it. Okay, so you may ask me why I always on the demo account. Okay, you trust me, you come to my course. You don't trust, you leave. Okay, my psychology.
Bro,
Yes.
bro.
Any question?
Bro, can you explain why do you take this trade?
Okay, so I think you follow the class long time in our session today. You should understand. You have a down.
Yes, bro, but
you have a down.
yeah.
You have the level here. It hit level here. It bounced back like this. So you have an entry here. Is it clear for you?
Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah.
Okay. So you may be ignore the lesson, or what did you do if you don't listen to my voice when I take time to okay. So look at this. Why did I take a trade? I say again, I have downtrend, I have retracement, I have engulfing impulsive. So this is a level, because everything scare this zone and it goes down very strongly. So when it go up, it hit this zone, it bounce back a little bit. Very good reason to take a put. You have no reason to take a call. Okay, but we may take a little margin of safety because sometimes it may give us a dozy. Okay, so we take a put for it. So that is the end of the lesson today, and I hope you can practice well. Send screenshot for discussion with the team, talented people on there, and make the group active again. Okay, Hello guys, do you have any question for me? Any more question?
Hello.
Yeah. You can ask, please. Let's go.
Yes, bro. Could you please explain the balance zone?
Okay, let's see. Let's talk
Balance
again.
zone.
Yeah, I talk again about the theory of the balance zones. Okay, so when you see the downtrend, you see retracement, you see impulsive like this. It is very good setup for balance zone on here. The balance zone is here. The balance zone is here. Okay, so in the future, any candle coming up here, and it hit here and bounce back like this and makes the wicks like this, you can enter a put. Am I right?
Okay.
Yes, is it clear for you?
Yes, bro. Clear, bro. Clear, bro.
Yeah, okay. So, and how do you spot the level? This one. You have uptrend, you have retracement, you have impulsive, baked in Gaffey. So this level you can trust. This level you can trust. Okay? If this candle red and it bounce back, it hit here and it bounce back like this, and it close price like this, it makes a wick like this, you can easily enter a call here. No fear, okay? Yeah, that is a theory and you can practice. This is very powerful. Okay, so have a good day guys. I hope you can practice well and feel fun, feel interesting. Okay, so feel happy with the strategy. You will see the magic. Okay? Yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye.